convert 101.011 in base 2 to base 10. So let's see how we are going to convert this to base 10. So we have solution. So 101.011 base 2. Now, to convert this to base 10, so you see this is a decimal number. So the first thing we do, we have the whole number part and the decimal part. So first, we are going to assign digits starting from 0. You have 0, 1, 2. So for the whole number part. Then for the decimal part, we are going to assign negative powers or negative digits. So we have -1, -2, -3. Now, we are now going to expand in terms of the base. So let's see. We have 1 times 2 to the power of 2 plus 0 times 2 to the power of 1 plus 1 times 2 to the power of 0 plus 0 times 2 to the power of -1 plus 1 times 2 to the power of -2 plus 1 times 2 to the power of -3. Now, so let's simplify further. So 2 to the power of 2, that's 4 times 1. So that will give us 4 plus 0 times 2 to the power of 1, that will give us 0 plus 1 times 2 to the power of 0. 2 to the power of 0 is 1. So 1 times 1, we have 1 plus, so 0 times 2 to the power of -1, that will give us 0. Then 1 times 2 to the power of -2. So now this negative power. So according to the law of indices, so that will be what? Inverse. So we are going to have 1 all over. So 2 to the power of 2, that will give us 4. Plus, then the same thing. So that negative is going to be inverse 1 over. So 2 to the power of 3, that's 8. Now let's sum up. So this is 5 plus, so let's bring it down. 1 over 4, 1 over 8. Now, since we have all this in fractions, so we can also rewrite this in fractional form so that we can simplify them together. So this now, the common difference for 1, 4, 8 is what? 8. Common denominator. So the LCM is 8. So 1 in 8, that's 8. 8 times 5, 40. Plus 4 in 8. 4 in 8 will give us 2 times 1. That's 2. Then 8 in 8. That's 1. 1 times 1 is 1. So 40 plus 2 plus 1. That's 43 over 8. And that is the answer to this question. I hope you got this. Like, share, and follow for more. See you in the next video.